I'm going to show you how to crochet in the round, starting with a magic circle. So to start with, you get the end of your wool, you wrap it round your fingers like so, if it doesn't kink. Right, so you've got a circle on your finger and it's pinched at the end, and then you put your hook through, bring your wool through, and then chain through. And then to start this pattern we need to chain 2, so that's chain 1, chain 2, and then for the pattern I'm going to show you, you need to make 10 trebles in the magic circle. So if you forgot what trebles are, have a look on the previous videos. But you put your wool over, put it through and pull it through, so you've got 3 on, put your wool through and then pull it through the first 2 and wool over and then the next 2, so that's 1. So again we need 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, once you've done your 10, you're thinking that doesn't look like a round, but the magic happens when you pull the loose end, and then what you need to do is slip stitch into your first, like so. As you see, you've got a little hole, but by pulling the end that will close completely.